Hello everyone, I'm Ashley and today I've got Neura's V5 3-axis gimbal. In this video I'm going to explain how to use this fantastic product from Neura and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes the carry bag, the handheld gimbal, the USB cable, the mini tripod, and the manual. If you've got everything, you're good to go. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, it is made out of a very lightweight metal weighing only 480 grams. This makes it very easy to carry around wherever you go. In the name, it has a 3-axis stabilization system covering the pan, tilt and roll for smooth footage. It has an incredible 10 centimeters extendable pole for wide-angle shooting and has an outstanding 12-hour battery life. Perfect for all uses such as live streaming, vlogging and travel shooting. The gimbal also comes with a mini tripod for easily placing it on flat surfaces. And it also comes with an LED light to achieve professional footage when it's dark. Lastly, with the Neura application, you can quickly access all of the features such as face and object tracking, beauty filters and many more within a few minutes. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's install the mini tripod. At the bottom of the gimbal you will see a 1/4-inch screw hole. Simply align the two together and screw the mini tripod in a clockwise motion until it's secure. Next, let's extend the height. Quick tip, you can do this at any time during use. Underneath the pan axis you will find a twistable wheel. Simply turn this anti-clockwise and pull it in an upwards motion until your desired height is reached. To secure it in place, simply turn the wheel in a clockwise motion. If you need more guidance, there are lock and unlock symbols located on the back of the gimbal. Next, let's install our smartphone to the gimbal. To begin, ensure that the gimbal is turned off. Simply widen the phone holder and slide in your smartphone, ensuring that it reaches the groove in the tilt axis and in a vertical position. Now we need to find the gravity center. Quick tip, perfecting the balance will result in a better battery life and smoother footage because the motors will have less work to do. Taking a look at the roll axis arm, you will see a small sticker which states balance adjustment. Slowly pulling this arm in and out, you are able to quickly notice a change in your smartphone's balance. Unlike most gimbals, this one only has one arm to adjust, making it very easy and quick to find the right balance. A quick test to ensure that it's well balanced is to gently nudge the tilt axis. If your smartphone returns back to being level, you've perfected it. Now we are ready to turn on the gimbal. Press the power button located on the right side of the main interface for 3 seconds and you will hear this sound. As you can see, the gimbal has instantly stabilized my smartphone. The default setting upon turning the gimbal on is in pan mode, but we can quickly change this with a few simple steps. Pressing the power button once more will change it to locking mode. Whilst double pressing the power button will change it to full following mode. Next, let's quickly look at the LED light. This button is located on the left side of the main interface. Pressing this button once will turn it on. To turn it off, simply press the button once more. A great feature to know is that this LED light can be rotated to your preference up to 180 degrees. Now, the joystick. You will find this located in the center of the main interface. This allows you to pan, tilt, and roll your smartphone manually. When you download the application for the very first time, you will be greeted with a search device message. Ensure that the gimbal is switched on before pressing the yes button. You will then notice that the right indicator light located on the main interface has turned blue. This confirms the connection. Once you are at this stage, you are now able to use the shooting button located in the middle of the main interface. Pressing the shooting button once will begin capturing. Whilst double pressing the shooting button will toggle between camera and video mode. Within the application, you are now able to use many more features, which I'm quickly going to summarize for you now. On the Shoot and Function tab, you will find video and photo features, such as dolly zoom and slow motion, along with a time-lapse, long exposure and panorama option. All of these features are great for all creatives, from beginners to professionals. On the Shoot and Settings tab, you will find filters such as a beauty filter, and also find a countdown timer, white balance settings and grid guidance. Again, all of these will help you create the best stories for you to capture. On the main settings tab, you will find more in-depth settings for you to play around with, although I highly suggest that you head over to the calibration section and do a motor calibration before each use. Side note, your smartphone needs to be installed before doing a calibration. After pressing the yes button, the gimbal will automatically run through the calibration. Once it's finished, you will hear this sound. Located on the back of the gimbal is the focus toggle switch. This allows you to zoom in and out with ease. Simply roll the wheel up to zoom in and roll the wheel down to zoom out. This gimbal will continue to surprise you as it also supports two-way charging. Located on the side of the main interface, you will find a micro USB port. This allows you to recharge the gimbal battery with a power bank. Located at the bottom of the gimbal, you will find a USB port. This allows you to recharge your smartphone using the gimbal battery. Finally, to turn the gimbal off, press the power button for 3 seconds. You really will have a lot of fun with this product, but before I go, here are some safety notes. Please ensure that your smartphone is 6 inches or less in size. Do not turn on the gimbal without your smartphone installed. Ensure that your smartphone is installed in the horizontal position, and do not touch the gimbal whilst it is calibrating. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer's V5 3-axis gimbal.